Welcome to another video on my Raspberry Pi 2 running Ubuntu Linux as well as the robot operating system connected to serial monitor and network for communication. Also a band cable which leads to this breadboard with some electronics as well as some fischertechnik. Motor, photoresistor, LED button and resistor and an LED again, and here another one. Last time I finally managed to get some messaging going after realizing that I needed to rewrite some of the code for the notice. However, the message that I want to transfer hasn't transferred yet. So now I want to continue by testing and trying again. This runs. This is signaled, but the message that is signaled is not transferred. So that is the focus. Also, we'll be using the Mac again, which is on that side. Although the viewing is not very good at the moment. And I will also use or try to use this tablet, which shows kind of the same background. So I think there is something not quite right. So let's have a look at the rest of the software. Right, so as I showed with the tablet and with the Mac screen, that is not very good. Here at the serial terminal, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 started. This is 1, which is, oh really, now I click on it and there it is. That's good. Then let me take this one, click on it, and that looks a lot better. So most likely when I tap, and I need to go there, when I tap the tablet, it suddenly comes to life. Yes, okay, so that problem has been solved. Now let's prepare everything for running the way I usually do. Alright, so most has been set up for now. Let's open the source code as well as here. And here it immediately shows what's going on, or should be going on. Running the software, and here ROS core is running. Then this is control motor. Then you see that a motor has started to run. And photoresistor is starting. And then when I use this flashlight with batteries that should be recharged, and yes, I'm afraid yeah, that was it. So it somehow still works, but not quite. Anyway, it should work anyway. So I hear this, but what should be happening is that I get two different messages over it. That is exactly what is not happening. So Control FT, let's see, Publisher to Control FT LED, FT LED. Let's scroll this up, unfold, and that is the other one. Here they subscribe, and you should get the message phototransistor and no phototransistor. So why am I getting these two messages correctly, but not what I hear? And that is just absolute nuisance. So when I compare it, here I publish as well, here I get it back, or am I? No, this phototransistor. In motor I get it back. And then you get this message. So in the string stream I said Control FT count. Well, that's exactly what I get. And then I apply that to message data. I publish the message, and that's it. So what do I hear? What do I do here? I make a C out. And am I really making that mistake here? No, because here I put everything in the SS, and that is SS2, and if photo is 1, then do one thing, else if the other one, else do something else, and SS1 is being dealt with here. So this is message data, string stream, which is exactly as I do here. Publish message 1. And I should get it here. So I need to check out why this isn't working. It should be. And then I do think that I have found a problem, or the culprit. In FT motor, where I get a very nice message, I use S. Well, here I use D. But why do I use D? Because I send over an integer. What happens if I make this an S for string? So let's just try that. That may be that this suddenly becomes a nice string. Who knows? Right. And now I have to compile. and that I do as usual on the Mac. So let's leave this and go and watch there. Alright, and now I'm here in the screen again, so I have to do catkin. Nope. Catkin make. And I hope that solves it. But as per usual, I have no clue. Oh, I have of course to kill or interrupt FT LED. Let's quickly see if I can do that. Answer is no. So I have to grab the process. Okay. And this is the one that I need. So that is this part. Copy and paste. Now it's interrupted. This has built alright. Now's the question, does it do what I want? So, right, let's go back to the other one. And let's have a look here now. So, start again, go. And I hear FT control LED. That is in itself good. Oh, no photo transistor. See, that is what I want to see. So now I'm shining on it. And the only point is now I have to find the photo transistor. That will be it. Sort of, yeah. Carefully selecting the point. And now it's not a bright light, and that's probably the culprit. Trying to get the photo transistor activated. And that's not easy. carefully. Oh, this is a nightmare. What if I do this? How come it doesn't do it? No photo transistor, I know that. It can't be that hard. And time is running on. Do I have another light? Currently not. And this takes time. But I can also just say, okay, I do it something different. I heard those messages. And in between I should be getting a 1. But where do I get it? And that's the culprit, so I will be looking for it. At this moment I'm not getting it done. Probably by a weak battery pack in here. 2 batteries and they're weak and then they can't shine fully. So, oh wait, I see another thing. Because message 1 is good. Oh, message 2 says now control is this. That's good. So the 0, the 1 I should get here anyway. But it's progress and that will count. What's the use of the tablet? Well, currently nothing yet. Let's see if I can do something. And yeah, that's on a light that should go somewhere else. And then run something else like the red LED, which I haven't started even. This LED. So let me do that from here. And I first have to prepare it here. So ROS run, and then you get something like this. I hope you can read it. But it is about the red LED, this one that is going to shine, and then the microphone falls. So I say enter, and then you can see that the red LED is blinking. So now I am running it via the tablet. With a bit better view. So, is it necessary? Not really. Consider it some kind of a gadget. So, this is also VNC, of course, which means that this is actually on the Raspberry Pi, which is then, of course, right there. And that's just a piece of Raspberry Pi with the serial extension on it. But it does run. And the attempt to get a 1 right here will be next time. And so a short video turned out to be a little bit longer, but well, the goal, the focus hasn't been reached, but some improvement, maybe next time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show your support by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired, and you can also become a patron, and depending on the pledge you make, have your name mentioned, on my website and with my videos. This is obviously going to be continued. Have a nice day and bye bye. And before I forget, all information or more information under this video, like my Patreon page, URL of my website and more.